everyone and welcome back to my channel Priyadarshini Talks. Priyadarshini Talks में मैं प्रियंका प्रियदर्शनी आप सभी का बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ. Hope you all are fine and full of health and happiness. So today I have also come for a review between you all and I have brought a sari for that. The sari is going to be a printed one, and again this is going to be a sari under your budget, which is under 450 rupees. Yes, you have heard it right. I bought this sari at 419 rupees only, so that's going to be under 450 rupees. And the sari is a beautiful one, a printed sari which I have got from Amazon. But before starting the video, let's make sure that if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, do subscribe my channel by pressing the red color subscribe icon right here, and do not forget to press the bell icon too, so that you can remain notified with all the upcoming videos, all the upcoming posts on my channel Priyadarshini Talks. And if you like this video, do give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to share the video between your friends and family and support my channel too. So let's get started with the review of this sari which I have brought from Amazon. So you get the sari in this kind of packaging. I got it just now and I could not resist myself. I have opened the outer packaging, though I have not opened it from inside. So the sari looks somewhat like this. You can give this sari to yourself, obviously, if you go to your offices, if you are a banker, if you are a teacher. This sari is going to be a great option for you. If you buy this sari, it would indeed be a great idea. Or you can give this to your mom. So this is the sari I'm talking about. This is from the brand, what brand? Yashika, and this is in the color Rama Blue or Rama Green. This is our Rama green color sari. So basically in the description, when I bought this sari, when I went through the description of the sari at Amazon, it was mentioned there that this sari is made up of linen fabric, but I cannot, make out that this sari is made up of linen. This sari is actually a mixture of linen and georgette kind, but the fabric is really nice. The fabric is very lightweight. So let's open the sari. I haven't opened it till now. So this is basically a 5.5 meter sari with 80 centimeters of blouse piece. So this sari comes with a blouse piece. Let's open it and see it for ourselves. So let me open from the other side. Okay, wow, I'm liking this, and I'm going to give this for my mama. So yeah, first of all, which I want to show you about this sari is the border of this sari, which runs on both the sides, on both the ends of the sari, and the width is the same, be it at the upper and or at the lower side. The width of the border is the same. The sari has got a satin finish border, which you can see here, which is in ash color. Yeah, this is an ash color, I think so. And again, the whole sari has this kind of printing on it, which is a type of lehariya printing, I must say. And this is the bottom of the sari, which you can see. So the printing actually makes this sari more classy. And actually the fabric is very lightweight. When I talk about the fabric is very sturdy. It's not pure linen, as I told you, but it's a mixed one, and for 419 rupees it's a great deal. You all must go for it. So this is the whole sari. And now coming to the I think this is the pallu area. So this is the entire sari which ends here. And now coming to the pallu area. The pallu area has somewhat like this printing on it. So you have got a little bit different kind of printing when you come to the end of the sari. That is the pallu area of the sari. The pallu area of the sari has this kind of printing on it at both the ends. And now the pallu ends here, and when you come to the blouse section of the sari, you have obviously to cut the blouse of the sari for yourself and give it to your tailor, and you can design the blouse for yourself. You can be your own stylist, you can be your own designer, and you can design the blouse as you like. So this is the blouse area of the sari, which is given somewhat like this. You get contrasting color of the blouse here. The color is the same and the color and pattern of the blouse given here is the same as the border of the sari. So you get the blouse of the sari as the running border of the sari, so this will make a nice combination. So you can design, as I told you, the blouse for yourself as you wish to. And you can see here the pallu section of the sari. So all in all, this sari is very decent one, very nice. The color is very nice. You get more color options when you go there at Amazon and search this sari for yourself. I'll give the link in the description box. So when you click the link here, you will be redirected to my haul store, and at my haul store, when you click the picture of this sari, you will be redirected to Amazon, and from Amazon you can buy this sari for yourself, or you can see more color options there, and whichever color suits you or whichever color attracts you the most, you can buy the color for yourself at rupees 419. The point to be noted is that in any case, if you are not liking the color of the blouse for yourself, which is not going to happen at all, you can anyways cut the blouse piece out and you can wear a nice blouse. You can team this sari up with a nice blouse which you already have in your wardrobe, be it a nice black color. Black color would also suit it. Black would also be a nice contrasting color for this printed sari. So you can team it up with any kind of blouse, with any colored blouse, as according to your wish, according to your choice. So that was all about the beautiful printed and ultra budget friendly sari from Amazon. How did you like it? Do not forget to mention in the comment section. Okay, now talking about the care of this sari, you can hand wash this sari for yourself. This is, as I told you, this is going to be very budget friendly for you, and it's not at all going to be a headache. I mean, you don't have to either machine wash it, or you don't have to give it for a dry cleaning. You can just hand wash it whenever you feel it is dirty. You can hand wash it yourself and you can just wear it and adorn it with a nice pair of necklace, or a nice beaded necklace would suit this sari. I mean, your overall appearance when you wear this sari, just do not forget to team it up with a nice necklace, nice beaded necklace if possible, and a nice pair of earrings. That was all in Priyadarshini Talks. Take care, bye bye, and do not forget to mention in the comment section how did you like this sari, and if you want this for yourself or for your mother, you can just click the link given in the description box and buy it for yourself. Bye bye, take care, love you all, keep smiling, keep shining, and stay tuned to Priyadarshini Talks. Do not forget to follow me on my Facebook page, Priyadarshini Talks, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram either. My Instagram handle is again Priyadarshini Talks. We chat there, we post shorts regularly, and it is going to be fun over there. That is all. Bye bye, take care, love you all, God bless. Keep smiling, keep shining, keep shopping for yourself, keep remaining happy.